Hey guys, we got a 2001 BMW X5 with air injection codes. Let me see. Right here. A secondary bank 1 and bank 2. Bank 2. So, the problem is that we already checked the air pump. We check the solenoid valve. We check vacuum coming to it. We check the injection valve. Okay, I don't know what it's at. Okay, anyway. So all seems to be fine. So then what I did is I put some fluid on the pipe that runs across where the valve sits on, and it's completely clogged. So I have my camera here and I want to try to show you how clogged the thing is. You see, that's the hole where the air has to go through, and it's completely full of carbon and debris. So what we need to do is clean that out with a brush, and then put some carburetor cleaner or V12 in there, and hopefully we'll get the flow back on. Okay, this is what I did. This is a kit that you can put it through. You can hook it up, and then they tell you that you can put a brush in here, but this is basically for the 750s. They have a different heads. But anyway, don't spend the money on this shit. This is shit. You can do it. You don't need that. If you go to the junkyard and buy one of these pipes, or maybe the same one. That's what I did. I put this pipe straight up, and then I fill it up with this seafoam, which is like injector cleaner, and then I spray some of these too. B12. Put this hose here, plug it, and then put compressed air, and then I think that did it, you know. You can also go and put the hose straight up into the hole and blow after you fill it up with the cleaner, you know, and put it in there. But it's very hard because there's no room. You probably have to get some of this stuff out of the way. So now what I'm gonna do is put the pipe back. I'm gonna put some more fluid in here and see if it drains, and then I blow again, and then I'm gonna put everything together. That should work, because before this was completely clogged, not the tube but inside the galleys. So we'll see what happens.